It's now, let me check, 6:20. Right? Galing pa kami sa work. Ang gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung white tree. So, here we are. These are the family. So, we'll bring you inside. I'll catch up with you guys later.
Ano ba sa kanya ba? Mamaya pa.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Frequenters. Sarah, let's go. You have your items with you. This one. Eh, di kayo na ang mga nakahat.
Thank you.
Thank you. My phone is still there. Thank you. So this is it. We're inside the hotel lobby. Look at this. Very nice. Look at that white illumination. So we're going to check in.
Like a bed.
So,
Looks like this is a bed.
Yeah, it's
Or
a bed.
something.
it's a bed.
Yeah, it looks like a bed.
So we're just waiting to check in.
Yep.
Actually, it's now 6.
Yeah.
A while ago, 3 o'clock, we should have, checked in. But because today is work day for me and your mom,
Yeah.
we're here.
Yeah.
Yes. We're late, but we are excited.
Yeah.
So, can they meet your friends? Roy, this is Roy.
Yeah.
Say hi, Roy. And next, who's next?
I have here
Koromi.
Koromi.
Oh, say hi to the friends in YouTube. Hi. Okay, and this is of course Cara, na wala pang tulog. Ako din, pares kami. Same kami.
We are like friends.
So let's show them more
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
the Chedi Katara.
The lab is really nice.
Okay, we will give you a different clip later. Bye. Let's
I had a
try.
purple beverage before. I had a purple cocktail. Did you know that?
So me and Cara, we will explore more of the Chedi Katara. We're still here at the lobby. My sister, she's still checking right there, somewhere there.
Yeah,
There, right? This side, this side. Okay, let's check out more of the lobby.
Maybe.
Cheers!
Maybe we can have a jet ski.
Look at that.
Maybe we can have
Look
a
at that,
jet
guys.
ski later.
Boat.
Maybe we can go jet skiing.
Where's the jet ski? No jet ski here.
There.
It's just all boats.
No, that side. You see that side? That's where the jet ski.
Yeah, Katara Beach.
I am.
Right?
Yep.
So we're heading towards the room. Let's check out the room. We're so excited. Here we are, finally. Let's see.
The complimentary suites from our side,
Yeah.
so completely until 9 p.m.
Ooh.
Free delight.
Yes.
Very simple.
You can give the call to room service 6800, which is open 24 hours, or to reception, and they will deliver here.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks. Yes, as for my sister, nasa lobby pa rin kami pero nasa room na pala kami. Look at that. Yes? And this is the best part, tour of the walk-in closet and the bathroom. All right.
ba't bukas to? Bawas? Kala ko aqua di
This
parang.
is the bathroom,
See?
shower.
Look at how intricate are the tiles.
Yeah.
Of course,
And the,
this is a
like
curling. Curling. No.
like a bidet.
Oh, bidet! Look how. Wow, ah. We are speechless.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it looks like a jewelry box, but actually you have your loofah. Yes. Shower cap, vanity kit, sanitary bag, nail file. So that's it. Sponsored by, sino ang kanilang? Sicily Camellia Homes. Body moisturizer. So of course, ayan, may pa-water sila. Water. And still the same. Okay, next. Okay, you have your toilet.
This is the toilet.
The same design pa din.
It looks the same.
So just to tell you more about the interior, it's modern Qatari design. So laging ganito sila. They have this arch.
Yeah.
Mostly, if you remember Central Inn, previously on the previous episode, I featured Central Inn. May mga ganito din sila. So this is typical of their design, interior design. Syempre, meron siyang sliding. See? As you can see. There. And I'll just show them. Sister. Actually, what do you say this? The cabinet is like a walk-in closet. You can fit in here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Approximately 8 people. Ito na, sasara ko na. So, yan. See? And as you enter your room, meron pa rin siyang, how you say this, may separation pa din. Open space, pero may separation. It's a modern contemporary Qatari design siya.
Yeah.
And we like the color tones because this is like cream, nasa light side siya eh. How do you like explain this kind of design? May pagka parang magnolia.
Parang, hindi. Ang nila, parang
Ottoman.
Tsaka yung letter B.
That's why, that explains this.
Ottoman.
See? Ottoman. So, that's it. It's a good room. It's a good size room. This is their deluxe. Guys, deluxe pa lang to. Of course, meron suites. May family suites. And as you can see, you have your own balcony. It's very spacious. Mainit na po kasi ngayon sa Doha. It's around 40 plus na. That's why it's good to really swim here. So here's the balcony. Good job, sister. She requested this one. Subject to availability.
Hindi na, pero ito talaga yun.
Ito talaga yon. Ito na yung room na nabigay nila. So, yun folks. Then you have your seating area here. As you can see. And this is Katara Beach. There's a pool facing the beach. There. You have your own cabanas, right? And this is like a good eye level. I mean, I prefer this floor because it's of course, as you can see, there's third floor. But this one I like because it's just enough. Look, you have the enough elevation. You can like clearly see those people at the ground.
Yeah.
So this is good. Like in cinemas, you have like the eye level. So you have the mix of the city and the old world charm. Old world charm, guys.
Or why don't we put it there? Or the song is funny, so.
Can you show me that?
Are you using internet or no?
This is the delights. What do you call this?
Sweet delights.
Sweet delights. Cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake. Okay.
Ano, kaya natin mamaya.
Yeah, dessert natin. So, yan ang dessert natin. For later, save for later. And we're back here in the channel. So we finished dinner and now we're about to sleep. And I cannot really raise my voice right now because I'm in the hallway of the rooms. By the way, this is the hallway, corridors. And every room, as you can see, has their own CDAT. Wow, going to the gym and have this nice leaf. All the water you want. Holy water. Wow. Every equipment has the bottled water, the towel, and all with screens. Wow. Oh, we're still adoring. So, hello, I'm back again. I'm now here at the gym. Let me give you a quick tour here at the Chedi gym. As you can see, this is the ladies only gym, and they're fully equipped with a lot of, water. They even have snacks. I mean, if you're feeling hungry after a workout. So again, all brand new, and they even like put towels and bottled waters in each equipment, and everything is very, very new. And you can like continue adoring the artworks, the pieces here. Still, see, all new yoga mats, right? Techno Gym brand. So it's actually now it's 10:30. See? Actually, 10:48. And sarado na yung gym. I mean, it's closed. But I think at this time around, you can still use it. Because it's not locked. And I don't know. I don't know if this has been used. It's dumbbells. And they're all brand new. See? It's the latest ones. I mean, look at that. Imagine you're in a gym, but it's like a venue, a hall. Like you can just take out all of this and you can have a party. It's you are speechless. You're gonna be speechless here. And it's otherworldly. It's world class. A lot of more paintings to adore. See that. So I'm gonna catch up with you later. The next day. So good morning everyone. Welcome to the Chedi Katara here in Doha, Qatar. As you can see, we have an unobstructed view of Katara Beach. And our room by itself is facing the swimming pool with unobstructed views of the traditional boats of Qatari, plus you can see the shore and the skyline, plus the city view on your left side. So let me take you inside and take a look at the room. We're staying here at the superior room, their basic room. But as you can see, even its basic room, it cost about 1,500 plus per night. And this is what you get. You get a balcony. You get your king size bed facing the balcony. And you're like, the style of the room, it makes you not want to be distracted of anything else. Because even their television is on the left side. So you're like focused on appreciation, appreciating the nature, appreciating the art. Because the rooms, all the way to the hallways, lobby, even the gym, has a lot of artworks and paintings. So welcome aboard. This is Onella, and I'd like to welcome you all and enjoy this plum adventure with me.